video, we're gonna decorate my open shelves. You will notice, if you've seen any of my other open shelf videos, that I used to have 3 up here, but let's just have a little chat. I was feeling very uninspired with these shelves, and I thought I would just actually take them all down. And then somebody on Instagram said, just take one down, because I had said that I like usually how the top shelf looks and the bottom shelf, but I always struggle with the middle shelf. So there you go. So that is what I did, and I like it a lot better. And it also gives me more room to put things on this shelf that are taller, which I like to do. When I do these shelves, I almost like to create a triangle. So I usually put things that are taller and then taper down. You'll see what I mean when I get started. But you guys, I hit 1,000 subscribers. Can you believe it? I am over the moon about it. I know in the big scheme of things it's like very minute, but to me, I'm really excited. I've been putting in a lot of work, and yeah, so thank you for subscribing. I really, really appreciate it. Anyway, let's get started. This video, I'm actually going to talk you through it. I don't know, you'll have to tell me, do you like these kinds, or where I just do it to music and then kind of go over everything at the end? I'm just gonna mix it up. So like I said, I like to start with a V type thing, so something tall up on the top shelf, and I'm going to start this one with this chalkboard. I just like it. It just adds one extra texture element. It's black, it's neutral, so I think that is going to look really cute. And I'm just gonna push it right up there and kind of center it. And you know, my loving heart loves to layer. So I'm going to layer a couple more signs with that. One being my buffalo check sign that we made. I'll leave a link in the description box and in the cards if you want to check out how we made this. It's so fun. And I'm gonna like put it so I can see a little bit of the chalkboard over here and over there, just so you can see it. I mean, I think I would typically like this to be a little bit smaller, but I'm gonna layer one in front of that, so I think it kind of works out. I have this pumpkin patch one from Huckleberry Ave. I've had this for years. I'm not sure if she still has it in her shop, but she'll be linked below. And if you don't want to make your own, she also sells some buffalo plaid signs. They are a little bit different than mine, but I also have hers and I love her. So check her out. She's got the most, like, her quality of signs is like none other. They're so good. So I'm just gonna layer that right there. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. Okay, I think that looks good for now. We'll switch that up if we need to. So I love to decorate with wheat for fall, and I have it pretty much everywhere, it looks like. But I have it in this jug, and I am going to put it up here. I have one, and I have 2 of them, and I'm gonna put one on either side. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this, because I don't typically love matchy-matchy, but I think I do like this. So, okay. And then, I know this is kind of like a side note to my shelves, but I kept feeling like I had to fill them up. And it just was overwhelming me, and I am going for more simple. And so honestly, I might just leave it like that because I think it looks really cute. I do have one of these orange pumpkins that I might stick right there to kind of fill in that. Less is more sometimes, I feel like, especially if you are craving simplicity, obviously. But sometimes if there's too much going on somewhere, I get overwhelmed and I'm like, oh my gosh, and then I just want to get rid of everything because I'm so overwhelmed. And so if I just keep it simple, then I don't have to worry about that. Okay, and then I have a bucket full of pumpkins. So this bucket, I can't remember. I think I got at actually Walmart last year. And I'm gonna put that right there. And then the pumpkins inside are all from Hobby Lobby. So, and these orange pumpkins are from Target Dollar Spot a few years ago. And I'm just gonna kind of create a little pumpkin thing right here. I could mix in some greenery and some foliage and stuff, but guys, I just don't want to. I'm just loving the simplicity of it. So, and then for the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add these buffalo plaid canisters. These are from Hobby Lobby as well, just to kind of tie in the buffalo plaid. So anyway, that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. I know, super easy, super simple, but you guys, sometimes that's the best. And if you've noticed in my other videos, I'm really going for a more simple look this year. So anyway, and then when Halloween comes, I don't usually decorate like full blown for Halloween, but I could change out my sign and it could still work. Or I could, I mean, my pumpkins obviously would work, but just little things I can switch out for Halloween. Like I said, I don't go crazy, but I do have little kids and they enjoy it. So anyway. Okay, one more thing before we go. I wanted to show you this little area I always decorate. I love how this turned out. This is from Hobby Lobby, the tin. These are from the dollar store. And then this was from Hearth and Hand last year. It's one of my favorite things I've ever bought. I just love their hand towels. They have the best ones. And then this little Hello Pumpkin is from Joann's. So, like I said, I'm not gonna do a video on every space. Last night, I completely rearranged my whole entire house. Because, well, it started with the shelves. I was like, I'm overwhelmed with them. I'm gonna take them down. So then I was going to move something to this spot. And then I got a new chair off Facebook Marketplace. And so I wanted to find a spot for that. And so it just, there was all these things and I ended up just switching the whole entire house around. It's crazy. I still have a mess behind the camera and on my table, but it's coming together and I'm actually like, makes my heart really happy about how bright and airy it is in here. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show you. I think I'm gonna do maybe 2 more decorate with me's and then I will do a tour of the whole house. So anyway, that's a lot of talking. I'm sorry, but hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and I will catch you guys in my next one. Have a good day. Bye.